Alright, so I'm doing systems of equation substitution. Our first one is 3x minus 1 equals 16 and 2x plus 1 equals 9. So what we want to do is right here get y by itself, so we're going to minus our 2x down here, and then we got y equals 9 minus 2x. And then we're going to take this and we're going to plug it in up here, so we have 3x minus 2x plus 9 equals 16. And so then we'll minus 9 here, and we'll have 3x. No, then we'll have, we'll have 1x equals 5 from this, and then x equals 5. So then taking x, we're going to plug it in to the same plugin up here. So we'll have 3 times 5 minus y equals 16. And then, so 3 times 5, you're going to get your 15 minus y equals 16. And then you're going to take this, you're going to minus your 15, and put it over here with your 16. And then you're going to get negative y equals 1. And then obviously you got to take the y, the negative out of the y, and put it over to the other side. So you're going to get y equals negative 1, getting your answers of x equals 5 and y equals negative 1.
Alright, so we are doing substitution. So you want to get the x by itself, and so you'll do minus 3y. So it'd be x minus 3y minus 11, and we made it so the x was positive, so we times that side by a negative to even it out. And then so you'll plug the x, this x, into the x in this equation. And then you'll distribute the 4 through. Alright, and then so we'll add the 12y and the 2y. And then minus 44 equals 12. And then you'll make it so the 14y is by itself. And then you'll divide the 14 on both sides so the y is by itself. And then you'll plug this y back into one of the equations. Doesn't matter which one. And then you'll just solve the equation. And there's your x and y, and that's substitution.
Okay, so we're solving systems of equations with elimination. So first you need to get a variable by itself. So to do that you have to add these two equations. And you have to make sure whichever variable you're eliminating is the opposite. So when you add them, they cancel out. So this is 0y, so you can just cross that out, and then you get 5x equals 15, and you just divide by 5, and x equals 3. So now you need to plug 3 in for x in one of the equations. So we'll use this equation because there's no negative. So you just distribute this, and you subtract 6. You divide by 5 to get y, and y equals 1, so your answer is 3, 1.
So elimination. So you want to get rid of one of the x. You want to get rid of x because it's easier. So times it by 4, and since they're opposites, you can add it and it will become 0. And then you add those together, that becomes 0, and then all you have is y. And then you'll simplify it, so it's y by itself, and then you put y back into this equation because it's easier to do. And then you simplify it out again. And there's the answer.